Replacing this because the spring there, you can see, has broke, so the latch no longer works to open and shut the door. The part that I got came it's for a 1956 or 57 Chevrolet. It's called a door release mechanism. They're available on eBay. With shipping, it's around 35 bucks. Looks like all the holes line up and the Pontiac door handles do fit on the cogs. So, if you're watching this, it all worked out good. The little clip there, it looks like that you're just going to push that off of there so you can get that thing out of the hole there. So that's what I'm hoping. If I don't give you anything else, then that worked as well. Okay, this is like a perfect fit. You get that little clip off of there. You have to push those little things back, get it back, and then your lever thing or your whatever that's called will come out nice and easily. And by golly, guess what? Works perfectly. I'm thrilled. One of the saving graces of owning a 55 or 56 Pontiac is that the Chevrolet, all the glass and all the rubbers in the weather strip and all that stuff for 56 or 57 Chevy fits these things just perfectly. Didn't know that when I bought this car 44 years ago. Anyway, hey, I hope this helps somebody. It sure would have helped me to have been able to find it. All right, over and out. All's good. Went together just fine, and it does do this. Ooh, yeah, just like it's supposed to, just like new. All righty. Hope this helps. Bye now.